Hello Facebook and YouTube. So the wiring harness that I wanted didn't arrive today, so I just had to wire it straight to the switch. I'll show you what that looks like. Let's see if I can just turn this thing around. I can't. I have to splice it. So anyways, let me show you what we got going on the compressor project. I have it wired directly to the terminals, running off jumper cables from the truck. This is it. I have a little harness with the proper connector on order. It'll probably be here tomorrow, but until then I just went ahead and spliced some wires in over to the switch, over to there, jumper cable, run over to the truck. It's running. I set the switch, see what happens. Starts building pressure right away. Okay, that's a winner. So tomorrow, or whenever, hopefully tomorrow, I'll go pick up the trailer, pump up the tires, and start working on the teardrop Harbor Freight trailer project. Okay, Facebook and YouTube, that's the probably about it for the ARB compressor project. I don't think there's much more to show on that. If there is, I'll make another video. If not, this is what you got. Okay, have a great night. Out.